sinner's tale forever cast. Each heavy step, a memory sting. The broken vows, the sorrow they bring. I walked a path of fire and rain. Inflicted wounds, embraced the pain. The echoes of the hurt I've sown. A lonely burden I bear alone. Oh, the weight of guilt's a crushing blow. A heart in darkness down below. Is there a light, a chance to mend for this lost soul, a bitter end? The judging eyes, they pierce and stare. A mark of shame beyond compare. I wear the brand, the scarlet stain. A constant whisper of disdain. Oh, the weight of guilt's a crushing blow. A heart in darkness down below. Is there a light, a chance to mend for this lost soul, a bitter end? But deep inside, a flicker bright, a fragile hope in darkest night. To rise above, to break the chain, to wash away this endless stain. Oh, the weight of guilt's a crushing blow. A heart in darkness down below. Is there a light, a chance to mend for this lost soul? Will darkness end?